How can you understand IRS notices written only in English? Imagine opening your mailbox and finding an IRS notice that's only in English. If English isn't your first language, that can feel confusing or even overwhelming. But don't worry, there are simple ways to understand what it says. The IRS offers help in many languages, including Spanish. You can call the IRS at 800-82910 for zero and ask for assistance in Spanish or English. If you need help in other languages, they have interpreters ready to explain the notice over the phone. This service makes it easier to understand what the IRS is asking for and what steps to take next. You can also ask the IRS to send future notices and letters in Spanish. To do this, you file a form called the Limited English Proficiency Form with your tax return. You can also contact the IRS directly and request Spanish as your preferred language. When they have it available, they will send all future communications in Spanish, making it easier for you to understand. Another helpful resource is the IRS website. They have many tax forms, instructions, and publications in Spanish. These resources explain common tax topics in simple language. Reading these can help you understand the context of the notice you received. If you prefer in-person help, you can visit IRS taxpayer assistance centers. Staff there can help you understand notices and answer questions. Many communities also have volunteer income tax assistance programs that provide free help in Spanish. They can assist with IRS notices and guide you on what to do. If you do not have immediate access to IRS language services, online translation tools can help. You can copy the notice into a translation app to get a basic idea of what it says. But be careful because some tax terms can be tricky to translate correctly. Always double-check important details with a tax professional or an IRS representative. Knowing key terms in the notice can also help. For example, if you see balance due, it means you owe money. If you see audit, it means the IRS is reviewing your tax return. Understanding these words in Spanish can make the notice clearer. For instance, balance due is saldo pendiente and audit is auditoria. Many Spanish-speaking tax preparers and community organizations are ready to help. They can translate and explain IRS notices so you understand what actions to take. Taking advantage of these resources can make dealing with IRS notices less stressful and help you respond correctly. Remember, you do not have to face these notices alone. Using the IRS multilingual services, Spanish publications, local help centers, and trusted tax professionals can make understanding English-only notices much easier.